brought in discussion how to use this feature. What would your response be in France? What would your response be in China?
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome. My name is Mark Rittinger, and I am the Executive Director of External Relations at the Schulich School of Business at York University in Toronto, Canada. I am honored to be your Master of Ceremonies for today's festivities. I would like to please first call to the podium Dr. Raghunathan, CEO of the GMR Veeralakshmi Foundation, and he will introduce our distinguished party for today's inauguration ceremony. As the corporate social responsibility arm of the GMR Group, the GMR Veeralakshmi Foundation focuses on four specific areas: education, health, hygiene, and sanitation, empowerment and livelihood, and community development. Since 1991, the foundation has transformed many deprived communities in the country and improved the lives of countless individuals. Through its many initiatives and public-private partnerships, the foundation is shaping a new future for India, and today's ceremony is a perfect example of the profound, continuous, and significant impact that the foundation has on the country and on global management education. I'd like to invite to the podium the CEO of the foundation, Dr. Raghunathan, for the introductions.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's a privilege to be here this morning at
York is a leading university in many areas: humanities, social sciences, law, fine arts, science, engineering, health, development programs that have the international characteristics and also have the keen interest in building bridges with the world. But of course, the most relevant to our discussion today is our great Schulich School of Business. Today I'd like to also highlight some of the characteristics of this wonderful school that is building the bridges between York University and India. As you heard, Schulich School of Business consistently ranked among the world leading business in every survey. The school has pioneered international and transnational management education in Canada, paving the way for new opportunities for Canadian students, Indian students, and other students from all over the world.
Thank you very much, Dr. Shukri. Our next distinguished guest requires very little introduction and is known by many of us here in the room. GM Rao is the group chairman of the GMR Group and is an entrepreneur and visionary in every sense of these words. His indelible passion for his country and its citizenry are the reason that we're here today. And as Dr. Shukri just said, in 2011, York University bestowed an honorary degree on Mr. Rao in recognition of his exceptional business leadership, his visionary entrepreneurism, and his passionate commitment to corporate social responsibility. We are simply delighted that Mr. Rao is the inaugural chair of the Schulich India Advisory Council, and that our shared enterprise here in Hyderabad will continue to flourish and grow under his distinguished leadership. Please welcome to the podium, Mr. GM Rao.
Thank you. Thank you very much for the introduction. Good afternoon. Honorable Chief Minister of Telangana, Sri Chandrasekhar Rao garu. Honorable Chief Minister of Education of Telangana, Sri Jagadish Reddy garu. And our Prime Minister, our Member of Parliament, K. Surya garu. And Principal Secretary, Mr. Narasimha garu. And Chief Secretary of Telangana, Sri Rajiv Sharma garu. And other distinguished members and leaders from the Government of Telangana, eminent members of Schulich India Advisory Council, Sri Ratan Tata ji, and Mr. O.P. Bhatt, Mr. Behram Vakil, and President Chaudhary and Dean Howard, Dr. Raghunath, and my friend B.V.N. Rao. Other distinguished guests, students of Skulik Business School, colleagues from GMR Group, members of press and media, ladies and gentlemen, and very good afternoon to all. At the outset, let me congratulate the Honorable Chief Minister, G. Chandrasekhara Garu, for being the first Chief Minister of the youngest new state of Telangana. In more ways than one, the state is a result of his dreams and aspirations for the people of this region. We can see the instrumental work being done by him for boosting the economy of the state. Chief Chandrasekhara Garu's initiative for inviting the industries with a red carpet and granting licenses and permits in 30 days' time speaks volume about his leadership. I am very confident that under the visionary leadership of the Honorable Chief Minister, Chief Chandrasekhara Garu, the state is going to flourish. I also congratulate the Honorable Education Minister of Telangana for presiding over the education of state, whose educational lineage is a second to none in the country. I would like to thank Sri Ratan Tata ji for taking time off his busy schedule to grace the auspicious occasion. Let me share with you all that Ratan Tata ji is a role model, and I take inspiration from him in building the institution in GMR Group. Though I heartily wanted him to chair the Advisory Council Board, however, his instance is ordered to me, and I feel very humbled to chair the board, being him as a member. I will cherish these moments forever in my life. I would also like to thank all the other board members as well for accepting to be part of the Skulik Indian Advisory Board. I am very confident that giving their vast knowledge and brilliance and leadership, they would bring in a phenomenal value addition for this great institution. It is a proud moment for me to be here this morning in this most august gathering on the occasion of the opening of the building of Skulik Business School. Let me step back, share with you as why this esteemed institute is being inaugurated here today in Hyderabad. It is not just a one-off decision. There has been a vision and a strategy behind it. Our association with Skulik goes back nearly 4 years. Sir, we at GMR Group have envisaged a unique concept of building aerotropolis around the Hyderabad airport. We believe that in future, all commercial functions of a modern metropolitan center will be located in and around the airport sites, thus transforming them from city airports to airport cities. We have the same vision for the Hyderabad city as well, which has the potential to become the engine of the economic growth of the entire region. We have planned multiple ports as part of the aerotropolis like health port, education port, fun port, logistics port, aerospace park, and so on. As part of the education port to develop, we were looking for globally renowned education institutions to bring and set up here. We were looking for Americans and European institutes, but to our good fortune, we met the then a Canadian ambassador and got to know about the York University.
Thank you, Chairman Rao. I have the great honor of introducing our next speaker. Of course, he requires little introduction and is celebrated globally for his mindset, his global mindset, his unbending commitment to excellence, his spirit of innovation, and his deep belief that business can help improve society. Mr. Ratan Tata is the Chairman Emeritus of Tata Sons and serves as a member of the Skulik India Advisory Council. For those of you in the room that aren't aware, York University honored Mr. Tata this past June and bestowed upon him an honorary Doctor of Laws. Our students were very humbled by Mr. Tata and delighted to be present for such a momentous occasion. Please join me in welcoming to the podium Mr. Ratan Tata.
I shan't take long in delivering a talk. You all would like to hear the Chief Minister speak. So let me just say how privileged I am today to be here for 2 or 3 reasons. One is it's a great moment in the new life of the state, headed by a very committed and very sincere Chief Minister. One cannot help but feel that you're taking part in the infancy of a new and a very potentially prosperous state that needs investment in business, investment in education, skills, and I'm sure that under your leadership, sir, this is going to happen. I'm also very pleased to be a part of the Schulich endeavor in having this university extension of York in Hyderabad. I did have the privilege of seeing the university and the school a few months ago. Very impressive and very understated, I would say, globally. But what has struck me in this particular case is that while many universities overseas are happy to collaborate in the form of having associate courses in home countries, very few of them are willing to do what this collaboration does, and that is to give the students here the same degree as they would have in Canada. That takes a lot of commitment, a lot of sincerity, and a lot of application. I therefore just would like to express, as an Indian, my thanks to the York University professors and president who made this happen, and to Mr. Rao for bringing this to India. Mr. Rao has covered ground usually where no road exists. If you see a wall, Mr. Rao sees a door, and this is in keeping with his pioneering spirit, and I wish the university and very much the Chief Minister and his new slate all the very best. It's a great pleasure to be here. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Tata. It is my distinct pleasure now to introduce the Honorable Chief Minister, Mr. Chandrasekhar Rao, to come to the podium. Since becoming Telangana's first Chief Minister, he's embarked on a special journey of inspiring the state's population. As leader, the Chief Minister has vowed to position the state of Telangana in a distinct league in its all-around performance, including top performance in such areas as welfare, development, and social infrastructure. It is with the utmost honor that I welcome the first Chief Minister of Telangana State to address us today.
Asatoma Satgamaya, Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya. Dr. Shauki was asking me while lighting the lamp, is it a formality to be followed? This is a formality. This indicates that the darkness is wiping off when the light is coming in. This kind of tradition is followed in India. And today I am very happy that the darkness will soon be off with the State Award. I am very proud. Mr. Mallikarjuna Rao Garu, Group Chairman of GMR, Mr. Ratan Tata, Dr. Shaukri, President and Vice Chancellor of York University, distinguished participants, ladies and gentlemen, a warm welcome to the city of Hyderabad. It's a matter of pleasure for me and true recognition of the potential of Hyderabad that prestigious Schulich School of Business of York University, Toronto, Canada has decided to establish a business school in collaboration with GMR Group here in Hyderabad. At the outset, I thank both GMR and Schulich School of Business for selecting Hyderabad for this purpose. As you all know, GMR Group is one of the largest business groups in India, having interests in diverse sectors like aviation, energy, road infrastructure, etc. And they are well placed to play a very active role as joint venture partner in this GMR Schulich School of Business. This initiative of GMR Schulich School underscores our view that Hyderabad city and Telangana state as well has immense potential to attract centers of excellence, both national and international. Our government would be ready to provide whatever support that is required to encourage more of such educational institutions in Hyderabad. Hyderabad already hosts several national level educational and research institutions like NALSA, IIT, BITS, University of Hyderabad, ASCI, ISB, DRDO, Midani, etc., which form robust ecosystem. We are formulating policies and plans to integrate technical and training institutions with industry in order to enhance skills and knowledge of students, which improves their employability and productivity. It's a well-known fact that future lies in knowledge economy. Therefore, our government attaches a great deal of significance to nurture and support quality educational and training institutions to harness the potential in India and abroad, which would contribute to economic growth and development of the state and the country. I wish this maiden initiative of GMR, Schulich School of Business, a great success in Hyderabad. I am also thankful to Sri Ratan Tata. I have also requested him while traveling with him from the school premises to this hotel that the new state of Telangana, we are taking so many initiatives, we are coming up with so many policies. Our new industrial policy is going to be probably one of the world's best policies, industrial policies, and we require, the new state of Telangana certainly requires the blessings, like a great legend of Ratan Tata Garu. We require your blessings, sir. We are a new state. We are all here to welcome the industry, the business houses, the corporate houses from all across the nation and also across the globe. Recently, I had been to Singapore when the alumni of IIM invited me to attend a business conference over there. From there, making use of the dais, I have appealed to the whole world. The city of Hyderabad has known its for hospitality and its extreme weather conditions, excellent weather conditions, and the cosmopolitan nature. The state of Telangana is here to offer about 5 lakh acres of readily available land for the industry to come to Hyderabad, and very shortly we will come before the world of business with a new industrial policy which will be really inspiring. I assure you, sir, the state of Telangana will certainly progress under the guidance of Sri Ratan Tata Garu and so many other business tycoons of our country. Thank you one and all.